ঘরেতে ভ্রমর এলো গুনগুনিয়ে, ঘরেতে ভ্রমর এলো গুনগুনিয়ে। আমারে কার কথা সে যাই শুনিয়ে, ঘরেতে ভ্রমর এলো গুনগুনিয়ে। Chrysanthemum, the most lovable flower by me. There are many reasons why people love the chrysanthemum. We already shared you about planting of chrysanthemum, pinching of chrysanthemum, and care of chrysanthemum. Today, I will tell you about the fertilization of bloomed or pre-bloomed chrysanthemum plant. Chrysanthemum is a heavy feeder. For a healthy bloom, every week needed fertilization. Fertilization should be light but frequently. A fertile and well-drained soil is the prime requisite for this plant. A bright sun is what the chrysanthemum wants, or at least 5 to 6 hours of continuous sunny weather is important for good growth. Chrysanthemum likes moist soil but don't tolerate on overwatering. The first fertilizer which my mom gives is the banana peel fertilizer. Banana peel fertilizer making is really easy. First, you should dry all the banana peels under the sun, then grind it. Banana peel powder will help to improve the overall health and promote blooming flower. Chrysanthemum gets easily attacked by aphids and hairy caterpillar, so you can check your plant and frequently spray bioenzyme or neem oil. In 1 liter of water, add 5 to 10 ml bioenzyme, then shake well, then give it to our plants. Bioenzyme helps the plant to get nutrients from the soil. You can easily make bioenzyme at home. Our bioenzyme making video is already in our channel, so you can watch that video. You can easily make bioenzyme by fruits peel, vegetable peel, or any kind of flower also. Next fertilizer is eggshell powder. Collect the eggshell, wash it very thoroughly, then dry it, then crush it. 1 teaspoon of eggshell powder on every plant is sufficient. There's a lot of great organic homemade fertilizer available for chrysanthemum, but just be sure to understand the right timing and the right doses. It is a November birth flower, so you should stop pinching after mid-November. Although it is a winter flowering plant, it only likes medium cold weather. Look, the birds are here and it's almost near blooming. But there are only a little final fertilizers. The final fertilizer is the mustard cake fertilizer. Instead of mustard cake fertilizer, you can also give mustard seed fertilizer. Mustard cake and seeds is widely used as a fertilizer for flowering. It provides many micronutrients, proteins, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Take 100 grams mustard seeds, grind it, then soak with 1 liter of water. Then add 10 milliliter bioenzyme. Then keep it for 7 days. Then dilute it with more water. Then give it to the plant. I hope it is clear for all of you how to bloom and grow flowers. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel and check all our other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.